I just felt like starting a series called This or That. I think I'm gonna come up with a lot more this and that perfume reviews for sure in the coming time. Hi guys, I'm Pratha and welcome to today's video. I think I'm gonna turn it into a series where I will be comparing two similar fragrances और मैं आपको ये बताऊंगी कि कौन सी आपके लिए एक better purchase हो सकती है in today's time. So yeah, with this and that, we will be comparing two fragrances, and the two fragrances that we're comparing today is Soar from Maison Asrar and Nebras from Lattafa. So this is what Soar looks like. I mean, beautiful detailing everywhere, even on the label. So it's a beautiful, clean looking bottle and I just love the way it looks. On the other hand, Nebras bhi kuch kam nahi hai, and I love the packaging on Nebras as well. This is sleek but slightly chunky. If you like black and gold, you will go in this direction. If you like clean and gold vibe, then you'll go in this direction. If I compare the prices, ये 26.99 का है और ये 25.99 का है और I am buying my perfumes from Scentopia these days, तो मैंने वहीं पे प्राइस कंपेयर किया है क्योंकि generally prices वहीं पे सबसे ज़्यादा कम रहते हैं. So if you would wish to buy any of these, I will leave the link and discount codes below, which I'm not going to make any money from. Okay, so price wise, this is slightly like, let's say 100 rupees lesser compared to this. You know how much I love my Nebras, but I am going to extend this discussion more on Soar in this video because Nebras के बारे में तो मैंने already बहुत ज़्यादा बार बात की है. So let's look at the notes of this. Soar has the top notes of vanilla, toffee, praline, apple, plum. Middle notes we have ylang ylang, white florals, heliotrope and lavender. Base notes we have vanilla, caramel, woody notes and ambergris. So when I first smelled this, I was like, this is spot on Nebras. There is no difference between this and that. And अगर हम notes compare करें, let me just take out the notes on Nebras as well quickly since we are on that discussion. Nebras के top notes में हमारे पास है red berries, mandarin, orange. Middle notes we have vanilla, cacao, rose, and base notes we have sugar, tonka bean, musk and amber. दोनों के ही notes में कुछ खास connection नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है. अगर हम notes wise इसको compare करें तो there is not much of a connection. लेकिन the fragrance on both of these is so damn similar that I cannot tell you. But there is just very slight difference when it comes to the fragrance. This one is more on those, you know, woody, powdery, musky lines, and Soar has, let's say, 5% more the touch of caramel to it. Okay, so that is what my nose has been detecting. हो सकता है कि अगर I'll be honest, okay, in the air they both smell pretty similar, but this one just comes off as slightly more caramelly and a little bit more smoother compared to Nebras, and I have been loving this one so much. So let me explain what these fragrances smell like. Nebras के लिए मैंने हमेशा आपसे ये बोला है कि ये एक मुलेठी की, जैसे एक मुलेठी की डंडी को पूरी रात वनीला फ्लेवर्ड शुगर, ब्राउन शुगर मिलाए हुए दूध में, एक मीठा वनीला फ्लेवर्ड दूध जिसमें वो मुलेठी पूरी रात डुबो के रखी हो, और जब आप सुबह उसे निकालेंगे और वो पूरी रात उसमें सोख हुई रहेगी तो सुबह उसमें से कैसी खुशबू आएगी. That is what Nebras to me smells like. The more I'm using it, the more I'm realizing it's not exactly a gourmand. It has a slight, you know, perfumey touch to it, which makes it perfect, like completely perfect for wearing all year round. Despite the fact कि ये एक sweet vanillic fragrance है, there is something about it. Those fruits and florals in the top and middle really gives it that balanced approach to wear it all year round, and that is what I feel exactly same about this one as well. लेकिन इसका feel थोड़ा सा, I would say थोड़ा सा एक caramel toffee जैसा है. So it has that added caramel note to it. So This also is very very appropriate for all year round. इसमें भी same lactonic milky accords हैं with a touch of woodiness, and it has ambergris. I'm not smelling that in it क्योंकि ambergris एक बहुत ही different aquatic feel देता है fragrances को, which I'm not getting here. For me, this is Nebras but with a touch of added caramel to it, and I'm loving this one. So if you want something in a slightly lesser price, in a more clean, beautiful looking bottle and with a touch of caramel to Nebras, then go for it. अच्छा, मैं ये बोल दूँ कि in the air they both will smell exactly same. It's just a slight difference that you notice जब आप एकदम up close smell करते हो ना, that is when you notice it. I'm loving the bottle यार. This is so this shape of bottles, they are more easier to hold and spray on yourself, and I just feel कि इनको कपड़ों में roll करके बहुत आराम से आप travel भी कर सकते हो. So and you can put it in your bag and everything. So this kind of packaging is more travel friendly and more spray friendly kind of bottle. I realized कि मैंने longevity तो mention ही नहीं की, so I want to talk about the longevity on Soar. And to be honest, जहाँ Nebras मुझे 8 से 9 घंटे देती है, this one gave me 12 hours on the skin. The longevity on this one was just incredible. जिन कपड़ों पे मैंने इसको स्प्रे किया था, मैंने वो कपड़े भी चेंज कर दिए थे, and whatever was left on my skin, I could smell it for 12 plus hours on me, and that was just impressive. I cannot tell you. So this definitely is a better and a longer lasting fragrance if you would want to consider buying it. और अगर आपने अभी तक Nebras या Soar, let's say आपके पास Nebras नहीं है and you were planning to buy it, you can definitely go in the direction of Soar because it's beautiful. It is spot on Nebras but slightly, very very slightly, let's say 5% better and with a lesser price. So you can definitely go for Soar if you would wish to. And I just feel that ये वाला जो DNA है ना, आपको वनीला पसंद है नहीं है, I do not care. If you like my recommendations, this has to be in your perfume collection. I just feel that way. मैं सबको ये बात बोलती हूँ कि I want this DNA in your collection no matter what. So if you have not looked into these two fragrances yet, do go and check them out. So this was a quick analysis on this and that of 2 fragrances in this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep looking beautiful, keep smelling good. Love you bunches, honey crunches. Mwah.